What's up, guys? So we just left out of the Dollar Tree, and we spent about 22 bucks in there. Probably made around like 80 to 100, so we 4 or 5x up in there. We're now at the Big W. You know, absolutely love Walmart because there's always something in here. And you know, last time I came in here, they had a bunch of these products on sale for $5, and I was literally flipping them for $15 to $20 over on Amazon. So it was making a nice little piece of change on that every single time, and they actually sold out of all of them, you know. So I was jacking up the price like crazy, and they just kept selling and kept selling. And this was the only Walmart they actually had them for that cheap. All the other Walmarts could not find a single one. All right, but I'll let you guys know if I find anything. Check these out, guys. So you see these are all labeled wrong, or they just didn't bother to take off the previous stickers. And these are all $7.50 a piece, and we'll make about I think like $6 on each one. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is a nice score here. We're gonna pick up a few of them right now. Gonna go to a few more Walmarts, make sure they aren't like just like everywhere, because that's the last thing you want to do is, you know, buy a whole bunch of something that, you know, is on sale everywhere, because then you're just gonna be sitting on the product, you know. So just gotta go to a few more of these Walmarts, check it out, and make sure that this is like something like super exclusive to a few stores at the max, and then we're gonna come back and buy up all of these. What's up, guys? So I just wanted to give you guys a quick little example here. This toy right here, there's about 24 sellers and it's $7.50 a piece. This one right here is $4.50, and there's over 50 sellers on this one. So the higher you go in price, guys, the less competition you're gonna have. And if you think 40 or 50 people is a lot of people to compete with, definitely make sure you go watch my video on affiliate marketing versus Amazon FBA. It'll completely open your eyes. Hey, excuse me, where's your clearance section?
For
like just for like anything in general.
they're all spread out. It depends on what you're looking for.
Oh, okay. So there's like all over.
Yeah,
the
with
store.
one back corner is for women's, the other corner in the men's, and then boys and girls like in the center. They're all kind of like spread out.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Look at the big old banner in the sky. It'll probably find them easier.
Okay, thank you. And that's all it takes. So since a lot of you guys are scared to like literally just go to an employee and be like, hey, where's the clearance section? You just saw me doing it. What's up, guys? So we found a few things, but nothing where it's just screaming out. So we're in the toy section for the clearance, and I was looking at this right here. You know, if this was lower, this would have been nice. If this was lower, this would have been nice. These right here were pretty cool. If you don't know what tech dudes and stuff like that are, you had a horrible childhood. No, I'm just playing, but those were super fun as a kid. These right here, pretty nice as well, but still too high. So if you see any of those in your area and they're like anywhere between like $2 and $3, definitely make sure you pick them up. But yeah, just gonna keep looking. See, we're at the Home Depot. So I actually just spent, you know, a few minutes talking to one of the ladies that work here, telling you guys all you gotta do is ask. A closed mouth does not get fed. All right. I mean, to tell you exactly where everything at, where all the clearance section is, where everything is, you know. Literally, all you got to do is just ask, like, hey, where's the clearance section? I mean, she even walked around and, you know, found stuff for me. Oh, you just missed this sale, but, you know, we still got a few of these left. Oh, if you use this card, then you'll get another percentage off on top of the clearance. And if you can go get that, they tell you all this stuff, guys. All you got to do is ask. Alrighty, guys, so check it out right here. These are normally selling for $19.99. Right now they're on sale for $5. So let's bring out our handy dandy calculator. I mean, our little app here. Alright, so we scan it, and I'm restricted in this right here, but you know, we would have made $12.37. Profit would have been $6.87. Again, it might not seem like a lot, but look at all of them that's back there. If we had went to every single Walmart, I mean not Walmart, Home Depot, bought all of them up, you know, let's say we only got 100 of them, we would have spent $500 and made $687 in profit, which is not bad, you know. And it's not like it's like super high up there either. So let's scan that. See, it's in the top 3%, you know, and it's not like a super ton of competition or whatever. You know, personally, I don't mind sitting on something, but I mean, you know, it just depends on your style of doing this here. So yeah, this definitely would have been a nice little buy. Could have bought all them up, you know, spent, you know, a couple $100, made a couple hundred, you know. This is very simple stuff, guys. But I think we're done in this one. Going to jump over to another one. Alrighty, guys, so we just found this in-wall core type thing here, and we would have made a nice little piece of profit off of it too, you know. Would have been about $5. Sorry about all the background noise. They got a new announcement like every 20 goddamn seconds. But see, would have been $5, 40 cents. Only downfall is they only have one, and this is all in shitty ass condition, you know. So yeah, nothing we can do about that, but just keep looking for more stuff. Alrighty, guys, so I did find these right here. I was able to sell them, but the price just wasn't where it needed to be at. Then this right here was, you know, on sale for $10, and it's normally $48. Yep, restricted, and it also wouldn't have been that much profit anyway. So yeah, guys, you know, you just got to keep looking and keep looking. Sometimes, you know, every store isn't going to be a winner. You know, that's one thing you got to realize when you're doing this stuff. You know, every time you go to the store isn't going to be a winner. You know, sometimes you just got to go to multiple stores to find one thing, you know. What's up, guys? So check out this quote-unquote clearance over here at Big K, right? So these right here are literally $7 at Walmart. These are $5. You know, these right here, $12. These down here are $5, and look, $50, $30, $20. Like, come on now, this is not a fucking, you know, clearance. Like, let's look at this. All right, even at normal price, Walmart wouldn't even have them this high. See, this is why Big K is going out of business. Like, look at this nonsense. Like, how? Since when is that 80% off? Crazy. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you guys this nonsense. Like, this is just complete nonsense. Alrighty, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that little video there. That was just, you know, some footage I had left over from the last couple of days. So hopefully it helped you guys out. I know you guys like to watch videos on, you know, people actually going out and actually doing this stuff, not just sitting behind a computer screen and actually talking about it. So, you know, if you liked the video, be sure to share it, you know, like it, subscribe, the whole little 9 yards. Also, be sure to check out the other stuff, guys. Even if you're not in affiliate marketing, definitely make sure you check it out. I mean, look into it, you know, check out, see what it is, if what you want to do or whatnot. There's a bunch of different stuff. That's how I got started. That's how I made my first $100,000 a year. I actually started out in CPA marketing. That's, again, where I made my first 6 figures. And it's not hard, guys. Well, I mean, it is, but it isn't, you know. It's just that you have to put in the work for it. And it's difficult. This is difficult in general because from day one, we're pretty much taught to be a worker. You know, your parents tell you to go to school, get a job. You know, your teachers tell you to, you know, keep going to school and get a job. Your friends tell you to go work at Walmart, you know, and then anytime you try to do anything out of the norm, your friends, your family, teachers, whoever, you know, for the most part would tell you, oh, you need to quit. You need to stop doing that. You're not good enough to run a business and all that type of stuff. All that stuff is a scam. So, I mean, you're going to be pretty much a lone wolf when you first start out in this, and a lot of people can't handle that, you know. But, yeah, just wanted to make this little quick video here for you guys or whatnot. Again, hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out the channel. There's a bunch of training on here, as you guys can see. Like this one shows you guys how I made $7,000 in one day simply sending out emails. You know, this one shows out how I'm making $11,000 plus a month. You know, with Google Trends, 100% for free. And you know, like just everything that I do is on here. $1,200 in 4 hours. You know how you guys can get paid to answer questions and make $100 a day, $1,800, showing the proof too, guys. You know, in one day, $3,100. Again, showing the proof of the deposits and stuff like that. So again, guys, like I'm not one of those push fairy nonsense talking marketers that's going to tell you what you're going to hear and stuff like that. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to hear, not what you want to hear. All right. So if you're looking, if you want the true sugar coated and all of that stuff, I don't know what to tell you. Just got to go to a different channel because that's just not what we're about here. So everything I do again is here on the Team DeAngelo channel or on the teamdeangelo.com website. You guys can go over the bottom here and it'll tell you what's in each one and stuff like that, what's in all the courses or whatever. But that is pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe.